What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we got a product here that's been sponsored by Boslla. So with this little nifty product, it's a glove box clip, and the way that this works is it clips into your glove box to clip any items that you want to carry in your vehicle that you don't want swinging around. So like here, we're in this NSX, and if we go and we grab some groceries or a small bag or whatnot, and we're going down the road at a reasonable speed, sometimes those things can roll around in the passenger area. So what this is it clips into the glove box like so. So you go ahead, you open your glove box, you slide this in, you close it, and then you get this nice little nifty hanging clip here with an adjustable strap. Since this is pretty high right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen this strap right here. So it's gonna hang a little lower, like so. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually test this product out with a purchase and see how it holds up. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
You too. All right, so this is where this handy dandy little gadget comes in. You take your bag, you go ahead, you get your clip, and you attach it. Then if you need to, you can adjust your strap, and there you have it. So as you can see, everything is intact. Dessert is looking just as fresh as it left the store. No spills, no mess, no tip over, no nothing. So there you have it, a real life test case of using this particular product. It actually performed very well. This is definitely an accessory that you didn't know you needed. So once you're done using the product, what's nice about it, it's small, it's compact. All you gotta do, wrap it up, open up that glove box, and tuck it away so that you have it to use next time. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a real life application of this product. Again, it's a product you didn't know you needed. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. As for this video, we're done, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.